And 3, 2.
I think this might be the youngest skater
you've ever filmed?
Yeah.
Yeah, that was my goal.